Today we're cooking something beautifully simple, skate with brown butter and capers. It's one of those classic dishes that proves you don't need many ingredients to make something absolutely incredible. It all comes together in minutes and tastes like something from a proper French bistro. I hope you're all well. I'm Shane. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. Skate, absolutely love skate. For those of you who don't know, it is part of the Ray family and is caught off the coast of Scotland and in the Celtic Sea. Thank you to Ron Fowler Sons, our local fishmongers here in Bookham in Surrey, and a special thank you to Matt who put up with me today. Matt, thank you so much. I was behind the counter. I wanted a bigger bit, then I wanted a smaller bit. I know I was a regular pain in the rear end, so thank you for putting up with me. Anyway, skate, when you get it, if you haven't bought it from a fishmonger, it does come with skin on it, and you need to make sure you get that off. And with a skate, you've got two sides to it. Both are edible. You've got one main bone that goes through the middle. It's a bit like a skeleton's hand is what I would liken it to. Nice thing is you don't get little pin bones or anything like that. And that bone runs down the middle, and you've got a thicker side here and a slightly thinner side here, and it's the thinner side where you will have the skin. So you need to make sure, if you are doing it yourself, then absolutely make sure you get that skin off. So to that, I just want to add a little bit of olive oil, not a lot. I'm literally going to brush this piece with my hand with just a touch of olive oil, just like that. You don't want loads in the pan because we want to make a brown butter, and the oil will make that butter not brown up as we want it to. So I've got my pan here on a medium heat. It's heating away nicely, and we're going to get that fish straight into the pan, thicker side down first. And there you go, that's what you want. Nice sizzle there. And that is literally going to cook on that side for about 2 to 2.5 minutes until we've got some nice colour on there. Okay, that's had its 2.5 minutes, and I can see, and hopefully you can see where the bone is running down the middle here, hopefully, and you can see the fish now is cooked. So it's a good way to tell that it's cooked nicely, and then we also look at that lovely golden colour. And I'm going to give that another 1.5 minutes on that side. Remember, this is the thinner side. Okay, that's had 1.5 minutes now. It's not quite fully cooked, so we're going to add in some butter, plenty of butter. We're going to have a lovely brown butter sauce. Just give that all a good little shake around. To that, a good squeeze of lemon juice. That's it, get all of that in there. You want a few capers, so it's about a teaspoon there, and some parsley, just some chopped parsley. Just get a spoon and baste that over the top of your fish. Oh, look at that. The colours and the flavour, the smell. So fresh, this. And it really is a beautiful piece of fish. Our butter's now just starting to brown. And I'll be honest, that's the stage I like it at. I don't want to take it any further than that, and that fish is cooked perfectly. So let's serve this up. A lovely piece of fish. Let's get that straight on there. Ho-ho. And then finish it off with some of our lovely brown butter just over the top. And that's all there is to it. My skate in brown butter, lemon caper sauce. The smell is divine. Honestly, the freshness of that fish. Let's cut into it. Let's see how we have done. And this should just pull away from that centre bone. So you sort of get your knife like that, and it just scrapes off, and there are no bones, just all fish. Wow. Honestly, that is to die for. Such a lovely taste. The capers and that butter. We haven't seasoned it. Didn't need any seasoning, to be fair. I had it here, but I was using salted butter. I'd advise to do so. Just gives it enough salt. I want to taste the fish, just with a few of those other little ingredients that enhance it, rather than loads of pepper and loads of salt. Absolutely divine. Guys, if you can pick some of this up, I highly recommend it. Excuse me. It's quick, It's simple. I mean, this is in the pan and on your plate within 10 minutes for sure. That's it from me for today. I really appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please do also like, share and comment. If you've got a different way that you cook skate, I'd love to hear from you. I'll put all of the details of today's skate in brown butter and lemon caper sauce down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.